আমার নাম মোহাম্মদ আব্দুল্লাহ আল কাইফ। আমি ঢাকা থেকে এসেছি। আমার গ্রামের বাড়ি বরিশাল, পটুয়াখালী, রাঙাবালি। আম, আমি আমার মা আমাকে ইংলিশ থেরাপিতে আসার জন্য বলেছিল যে ইংলিশ থেরাপি অনেক ভালো, ইংলিশ থেরাপি গুড এনভায়রনমেন্ট। দেন আই ডোন্ট বিলিভ দ্যাট, আমি সে সময় বিশ্বাস করিনি যে এত সুন্দর হবে।
Are you happy for your English therapy journey?
Yeah, obviously. I am very satisfying when I come. This moment I don't say. When first time I in front of camera, this moment I don't say anything. Suppose I say some. I think sir only say make a video. This moment I have no but after some days later, after finishing my first month, this moment I realize I say something say. My improvement is something. When I it's a second month, this moment sir one day asked me say something about your mother. This moment I say and say. This moment I think, this moment I don't know. I am a fluent speaker. Sir said, you are a fluent speaker. This moment I take lots of value this word. After that, some days later, I make video. This moment my improvements I saw, I don't believe. Before that, I lots of suppose lots of institute I visit, but they have not this type of facility. English therapy give me lots of facility. Suppose dormitory facility. English therapy. Suppose you talk Bengali all time. Obviously, you give fine. Without fine, you don't stay this batch. Suppose is English rules. You don't maintain rules. Other person don't maintain rules. You maintain. All person maintain the rules.
But when I want to visit the English therapy, I will very interest to English therapy. Too, when I go English therapy, I will. Its environment is good. Its rules is very fine, because it's not a Bengali word allow. The Bengali ad said per word 20 taka to. I like that rules.
Every person learn English for job. I have no wish for job. Suppose lots of people come for English therapy, they won't get any job. After the lots of time stay in his school, in his college, in his other institute, English version school. There are lots of school he spend his time. Look like me. I spend my life lots of time in English school, but I don't learn anything. Suppose English school I spend my life 3 years. 5, 6, 7, 8. Class 5, class 6, class 7, class 8 right now running. I stay, but I don't learn anything. What is the reason? They are not have a good weather. Suppose English therapy I come, I have no belief for English therapy. I think English therapy is not good, but when I come, that's my thinking. So I realize before time I go to my flashback. I thinking English therapy is so much bad, but right now when I come, I saw English therapy. My thinking so much good. That's time I think so much good. Right now I think that's time my mistake. English therapy is so much good.
But when I I wanted to English course do. I wanted to English course do. My mother said you can to learn to English that you to I can go to abroad in. আমি বিদেশে যাব, তারপরে সেখান থেকে উপার্জন করব। বাট দ্যাটস মাই মাদার্স হবি, ড্রিম। বাট আই
After that, I am able to do anything. I am able to get in good job. Suppose right now I no need to job, but before time, suppose there have lots of students come. They look like my father. Father is.
Sir,
They
now I say you look like Ismail.
Yeah.
Which class do you read?
I did in class 8.
Do you like English therapy environment?
Yeah, obviously. Before time I visit lots of academy, but there have not this type of rules, this type of environment. English type all time say English without Bengali. You say Bengali, you give fine. I say again. Before time when I stay my school, this time they all people speak Bengali. All people speak Bengali. There have not enough environment for learning English. There are this time I am not capable of learning English. When I come English therapy, one day sir said, say something about yourself. This time I don't say anything. I have nothing. Right now I have so. Right now I am capable of learning English. Without practice, you don't learn English. Suppose many person when he come English therapy, that time they are said, I no don't learn English. I don't say I am not capable of learning English after 3 months. It's not possible. It's possible, obviously possible. In your life, you do anything in your mind, give your mind. That time all thing possible. You do practice. Without practice, you listen. If you listen, suppose Kavi Nazrul Islam, Rabindranath Tagore, all poem writer, all biggest man, they all time practice. Without practice, they don't do anything in his life. They right now they died, they don't alive, but their name, they are poet. We read right now, they are poet alive right now. But what is the reason? They many hardworking person. They practice. After that, they go to this position. But we need the position. After 3 months is not enough for learning English. For their other institute, their class is 12 days. But English therapy is 3rd month. You have no vacation in 3rd month. 3 months all time stay there. If you learn a language, this moment you must be need to stay in a place. This is
Yeah.
good for you. My mother choose. My mother. All mother think his son, his daughter goodness. I don't understand. But right now I fully understand. My mother is the best mother. Graduation complete. Graduation. There have lots of people. They come. My grandfather is. They are look like my grandfather. You must be learn English. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.